गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट। कल हमने फिजिकल और केमिकल चेंज के बारे में बात की थी। अब हम एक एक्टिविटी के द्वारा शो करेंगे टू शो दैट बर्निंग ऑफ मैग्नीशियम मेटल इज ए केमिकल चेंज। टू शो दैट बर्निंग ऑफ मैग्नीशियम मेटल इज ए केमिकल चेंज। और मैग्नीशियम रिबन क्या चाहिए हम लोग होगा? थिंग्स नीड्स a thin strip of magnesium metal, a sandpaper, a pair of tongs, a burner and watch glass. सबसे पहले take a magnesium ribbon about 10 centimeter long. Clean it by rubbing its surface with a sandpaper to get bright shining metals. Hold the magnesium ribbon at one end with a pair of tongs and heat its other end over a flame of a burner till it catch fire. Hold the burning magnesium ribbon over a watch glass so that white powder is collected in it. Take a white powder, magnesium oxide, in a beaker containing about 20 ml of water. Stir the mixture throughout dissolve magnesium oxide in water. Test the mixture with blue and red litmus paper. Take a strip of a blue litmus paper and put a few drops of a obtaining solution on it. Take a strip of a red litmus paper and put a few drops of obtaining solution on it. ऑब्जर्वेशन में क्या आप देखेंगे? द मैग्नीशियम रिबन बर्न विथ ए white light forming white powder. White powder look different from magnesium ribbon. The blue litmus paper does not turn red, show that the solution of a magnesium oxide is water is not acidic. वो एसिडिक नहीं है. The red litmus paper turn blue, show that solution of magnesium oxide is water is a basic in nature. When magnesium ribbon burn in air, it combine with the oxygen. किससे कंबाइन करता है? ऑक्सीजन कहाँ से मिलता है? ऑफ एयर टू form a new substance called magnesium oxide white powder. This change can be magnesium plus oxygen, magnesium oxide white powder. White powder cannot be changed into a magnesium ribbon, so this change is irreversible and permanent. Thus, it is a chemical change. When magnesium oxide is dissolved in water, it combines with water to form a new substance called magnesium hydroxide. It's been magnesium oxide plus water, magnesium hydroxide. Conclusion: burning of a magnesium is a chemical change. New substances with entirely different chemical properties are formed from the original substance. So all of these are a chemical change. A chemical change is also called chemical reaction. What is the chemical reaction? The process by which one or more substance transform into new substance having entirely different properties from the original substances is called chemical reaction. मतलब एक से ज़्यादा सब्सटेंस जब ट्रांसफर होंगे इनटू अ न्यू सब्सटेंस हैविंग इंटायरली डिफर, वो क्या होना चाहिए? डिफर होना चाहिए. जो बनेगा वो हैविंग इंटायरली डिफरेंट प्रॉपर्टी फ्रॉम अ ओरिजिनल सब्सटेंस, जो जिससे मिलके बना उससे वो अलग तरह के आप डिफरेंट प्रॉपर्टी का जो बन जाता है उसे कहेंगे केमिकल रिएक्शंस. द chemical reaction occur during a chemical change. The substance which react to form new substance are called reactant. A new substance formed after a chemical change are called products. Again, I repeat you, a substances which react to form a new substance are called reactants. The new substance formed after a chemical change are called products.